Okay, so I want to do a little sound test here with the current exhaust to show how loud it is. It's a stubby little guy, so it's kind of annoying, but I kind of like it. I don't know. But before I put my different one on, I want to try it out. So ambient right now, when I'm talking, what is it, like 65, something like that? We'll call it 65. So I'll just turn it on. Alrighty, so that's... I don't know how far I'm going to stand. Let's see if I stand back here. About like a foot and a half, 2 feet away from the bike. Call it good.